Legend Boats was founded over 50 years ago. We have 50 dealers and 3 retail stores. We had a mixed bag of renovations here. We did some painting, some offices, new flooring, putting in some bathrooms in as well. And in the other buildings, complete remodel. New roof, new walls, new electricity, new lights, fans, flooring. It's a whole variety of things. I was looking for a contractor, and a friend of mine, he said, listen, there's a company called Reno Assistance. You have to go online and they do everything for you. And I said, okay, that sounds just too good to be true. I took his advice, I called, and I spoke to a woman called Louise. We went through in detail our whole process, and things got done very well. For me, coming here, especially from outside the province, I don't speak French. I had not so many contacts here. Reno Assistance looked after everything for me. It was a great experience here, and I suspect if we have the same relationship with other people in other parts of the country, it would work just as well. Especially if it was Louise looking after a project, I would go for it 100%.